So our first pile of many that we got to do on this beautiful day here in Michigan. So welcome back, everybody. I just started this fire, so we'll just try to keep it going. Get some hot coals on it, and then we'll go up there and drag those down. Clean up all this, because this is where the baby pen's going to go, is over here in this area. So I want to get this all cleaned up so we can get this built for them and get the babies out so they can be running free. So I had to come inside. This thing, I swear. I had to come inside, go to the bathroom, feed the baby lambs, and then head back outside. So I've got this new tripod that came in today. And I'm not sure I like it because, look, it just wants to fall down. So I'm not so sure this would be the right one, but it was just a cheap one, and I thought, you know what, then I can finally start videoing myself doing stuff instead of being always behind the camera all the time. Maybe I can be out in front of it. So I'm going to take you guys out. We're going to try to cut up some stuff with my saw and keep that fire going. Of course, you guys are falling over because it doesn't want to stay up. Like, it ain't one thing or another. I want to try to set you guys right here real quick. And of course, it wants to fall. See, I don't know if that one piece was supposed to be in there. Let me go see something. So I got Courtney helping, and I got my charger here. I'm going to put it over here. Try to get it to charge. I'm putting it right here so it can charge. I'm going to charge it for 3 days. That'll give us almost 3 days, I guess, to try to get our pin put up. You know, we only got maybe an hour and a half of daylight left. So we're going to try to come up here and cut up as much as we can. Courtney's going to be doing the cutting, and then I'm going to set this off to the side, try to keep it so you guys can try to see as much as you can. It's working, so hopefully we can get some work done. Should be nice, right? Yeah, you can. Bless you.
Man, you animals in these science.
It is not the animals. Go ahead and cut that piece right there up.
What?
This one right here, this long piece. Man, the fire's like out. There goes my phone again. Maybe I'll just set us up here, maybe. We can get a full view of everything. Just sit like that. Yeah, just cut it in chunks because I'm just going to throw it in that right there. Can't do nothing with gloves on. Can't even put stuff down in my pocket. thank you everybody for joining us today. Courtney and I working. It is like 7:55 right now, and I am exhausted. I still gotta get some dinner made because my husband got home about 10 minutes ago, and he's just working late nights now since time changed, and on his job he's got to work long hours, which is okay because we need the finances anyways. So God has a reason why he works his long hours, and then Courtney and I are going to try to do what we can here with what we got here. So that being said, I just want to thank everybody for joining us today, and if you are not a subscriber, will you consider subscribing to our channel? All you got to do is hit that red button right there and hit our like, thumbs up, and hit that bell so you won't miss a video, and I post every single day. There's always videos to post, and that's just how I am. You will see realism, and I don't edit any of our stuff out. What you see is what you get, and I usually try to do little clips of what we're doing throughout the day, and tomorrow's video is going to be a day in a farmer's life, so look forward for that one too. So again, thank you everybody, and stay safe. Until next time, God bless.